Hello everyone, this is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This is my link and this link I will paste in our description box. Please check and join this. Let's do let's do or start our first job. Our first job is analyst, insight analyst for Hyderabad and Hyderabad location, and this is and also remote option are available here. And this is your job description. You can see here and how to apply this job. You can simply click apply now and you fill the details. And about company, if you need to know, if you click or click company and know about more. Okay, this is MNC company. Okay, our next job is doctors healthcare data analyst. Salary up to 20K per month and opportunity is full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You have okay. Our next job is business analyst for Bengaluru, Karnataka location, and salary is a 5L to 12L per year. And this is qualification is Microsoft Office and total work experience 1 year. And this is your opportunity. This is your job description. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai location, Maharashtra, and salary is 50K to 30K per month. And this is day shift full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data project analyst. This is for Chennai location and salary up to 4.5L per year. And how to apply this job? We have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Bengaluru, Karnataka location and salary is 10K to 20K per month. And this is full-time opportunity and this is your job description. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the details. Our next job is business analyst intern. This is for Kochi, Kerala location and salary up to 4L to 8.5L per year. And job is permanent. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is US healthcare senior analyst remote. This is work from home opportunity and salary up to 6L to 10L per year. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Before that, there is some extra benefit and perks. And our next job is data analyst analyst for Bengaluru, Karnataka location and qualification need this and experience need 4 to 5 years of experience. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is for analyst two. This is also for Bengaluru location and this is about company and this is all and in this job there is nothing mentioned more and experience need 1 year. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Noida, Uttar Pradesh location and salary is 22K to 35K and this is full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is R&D digital solution analyst. This is Hyderabad, Telangana location and this is also remote. And how to and qualification need bachelor degree and total year of experience 8 to 10 years. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is our next job is for business analyst, Bengaluru, Karnataka location. Bengaluru, Karnataka location and salary is 6L to 15L per year. and this is qualification in total 3 year of experience prefer, and this is your job description. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is analyst inside eco analyst. This is Hyderabad Telangana location, and this is your job description and all. And how to apply this job, you have click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is also business process analyst. This is Hyderabad, Telangana location 2. Okay. And salary up to 12 L to 20 lakh per annum, and this is full time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Before that, you can see here you have minimum need of 5 to 6 year of experience. Okay, our next job is data analyst trainee. This is Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and salary up to 2.5L to 4.5L. And this is your job description. IT background must need, and a skill like Python, SQL, Power BI, Tableau. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst uh, for for Andhra Pradesh location, and salary up to 50K to 20K per month, and this is full time opportunity, and this is your job description. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary up to 4.8 lakh per annum, and this is full time opportunity, fresher for fresher. And how and this is your job description and and all. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is analyst decision science. This is for Bengaluru, Karnataka location, and this is your job description. You can see here, and this is your requirement. And a skill need SQL, data mining software, data visualization tools like Tableau software. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for civil engineer. This is Hyderabad Telangana location, and salary up to 3 lakh to 4 lakh per year. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. And this is your job description, you can read here. And this is your responsibility. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend, and like this.